Good evening, Chiamarako. The Conner, Canada to US, Canada. Then it is African Ner, Malakatiang, Kiawada. It took us earlier the same way. Take a right method Magura, the shear again. Don't send the journey along. So, and I thank you. You need to chip and turn Mal. I hope you're corner because you're going to do anything. Okay, this Sunday. Raja Lel Chago Harnel tongue me. Kenyam, de my condolence for God been here and China. Nady Januan with a bucket law, Nady Januan with a badak, it doesn't matter, Chakon and Nate one, okay, short period of time. I can't allow to walk. Kador Michadak. In mature depth, latte thin along. Chung Micharan, Danak, Baranak. Topic the chap guarnel from me and chicken unit in the DLD base can look to the fine unit in it, then I unite for a common purpose key goal, which is a general at Gwanda no corner. Make who can let him tribe the Al, because also done. Came an Ethiopian territory. Gwanda no con Chidino and no Carodian. Mela Carodian unite Mishram calculate Kadua. Tinyaman and J. Got a mind the Jacadit. Nuer, Mission take a reckon a daman, catch a daman lay door. Laman the Camdian at a daman a pelle barong raider. I truly pray to God and would therefore think of going back to that particular philosophy as Nathan Arthur. Colia dan chariot look at one terror over Bellat. Cade Lara on one terror. She didn't know taken K unity. Hello. She didn't know one terror taken K unity out of love, but unity then is for the common purpose and a goal. Koba Nuer Bakanak. La Mela Gwanda no corner let. Chiguantera adapt. Ko Changaju was working. Now, talk on the same idea of Guantara. Nunyan thought long let logic. I don't follow emotion so much. Take a native one lejala, woko nueri nangarodan. My dear brother and sister, Chejogo de Prijinangro, but it's not possible. There's a side of Midi Mission and Madara Mokalu. But take Kel Medokon force. Mim no condoran, and no condoran, can no con Chudanishal conanate nap. The con forth good chunk telecon individual love among ourselves. Kitcheriak ben murder doran der a joke. That common purpose, the con unite. A banishing to new nook or banacala let Kakuku becon tick. Tell a midi about Bellalong, who would yell Kana Katana core because there are some people to what you can understand. Second to that, not everybody reaching Nueri, Pintong meter and access. K internet and then at a lot Carodian. Kasigan ideal Quintoni, and Nicken a loan at a Chagorko by Nueri back and negative. Chicken ideal Quinton, Malay, Chiamara, Mala. I owe Malian Guanikundiality. Chiloida, thank you for coming. So she can ideal can take access to social media key news. So maybe I would give it a benefit of that and who can eat on it. No one can understand. Oh, walk within a walk on a death trap. Tell her I'm a babel. But men de lim con today conway, they call him ku method of Wanda no kuna used to unite under a common purpose key gold. They met reapply nyok ko da yaro dun kula luak kare ka tayanta kete ka meeting ni Nuer tungwan ka US agwa mata la ga conference call la ngana feel very disappointed ka gade yan gade Nuer tega wun midin mi che kon jok many years back 2014 cause springtime mong ne ban yin teka gwalat chongo jok choriet wala ru my dear daughter chongo jo mi take advice me de kami as an elder kaji chongo jo gu never overdo anything that I take because too much of anything they get destroyed chongo jo whether a pel medit katele je balance right de je nong rek mi bom wen medit katele je balance ka ja de je nong rek mi ego medit katele je balance ka ja de je nong rek changa jo ko tidial wi mon te takaran characteristic ne te takana taken ko melot kana rai te ko but be dil make sure wo ne bika balance out tele mi be mo lunch bika ja perken red wood medida mo cha apply rai te ka da ka changa lo ka duk tungwan no matter what you have as a character could you shwe ja be character ko to kong bagaleng for example miti ke ego medit mitele je balance ka ja da nyin ko tungwan da ka ya because bro du guje wone ne telara ma per ka ji ki bro du guje la wone ne telara ma di la dur ke telara ma di luak because you are allowing the ego to lead baban ka point da malada ka ki duniyan ga da gan mare te tene ka US kwa me kwa jaga da Africa mala roda but baro ke ne la ta ka conference call ka ga da ga mar not every idea me de let chiga idea ne ne de let one today mi che idea nung nial chinga ka idea nung nial chinyanga da idea nung nial kan idea do kwan cha idea nyanga da cha kwan ki idea nga kya kwan chelo nu ram mo len kapel it just mean under that circumstance idea chingun chalat but at the same time but chelo nu be you give up ki bram mo you be you teter karam mo ni ko che len ka good idea today because tomorrow the idea do da lat men de dien mi logo dor ka ji katika idea me de we take kan na ka dora en nyenwara how come you would tell ke wo logo nyin ku te te kon ga personal case kon ji ke melody me de take no wara dia far too many meeting ne te jata radian la ne na ga nwari la ngi je ram mo kana nga la ite ka kare mi rai roi ne kien ko le kan we na rodian the purpose of the meeting la we apega du dino nga we na nga ko te kan ka personal case na ma ba kon ko la na we ne we gwar mane ka kon ni cha plan na ba kon reduce 40% but ngoda say ego no kon che ku subdue ngoda we still have an ego che jego der ante ke ego but can you balance your ego please to the point where me take a mission nen me de we ke lew der erat be make sure will be ego do be reduced Michi damor michi agak pan michi nen ki nyimor michi agak pan take idea me de we der attack support him support her because at the end of the day but take no way care you. Can we learn that? Can we learn to unite under common purpose and a goal? Can we do that so that we can save ourselves as Nathan? So that we can save land as Nathan? Because machilo jago, bishop Kanyaroon, Machiji Bentil jago, bishop Kapan Gagaroon. So on and so forth. Kuon hakana kondi al ka should mutual Nuer. It doesn't matter what area I'm beating. but cha design ko ba kon nak carefully at certain season ba nei to attack a season ba nei to kong yogu shit then be a bit ke be doing as if she be shop ke tomorrow and then the next thing you know ba we shop ke ko ba kon kula nyak ga mara ko riede cha lar da mare ke nye mare riede cha lar wo dor mi shiro da ga che de chu ka dor mi shiro da ma cha de lon ka da kara man ne dial chi ka no wo nong na ro dien you could not get along you work net the same idea ta man ne la ka no riek mi shire ka che kon jaga che mare ne ne ta na ko mu ga jiro du today wo cha go lu ka Kenya cha go lu ka Tanzania cha go lu ka Uganda tell me be jack your mother your father why do more land they still in the village chu ga jo ne ma binu re to kong jek te cheng te dong tela ran yu de ran go lu rul mu de dien ma bi ga jago ba chi mo ri ba ga pal cha ka ba pal karani chien dien nei te tel chien chu kana mong be yen ka kam palata le la chal ka ne ke no matic man nei te tel del ka ne win mon mangai ka kon wi mon ka jangai ka kon ke istur ne te gwanda no kon kalat today bana ka ben pal pan because our ego is too damn big to kon ke leader to want to gwe ra ro de wo I am too intelligent changa de advisor amado dien. These are the people to ku community dan ku je lead ka hell. Personal case ni. Berama roda we chakwera me top berama roda we chak organization me top ke wu logo nyanga de ke logo nga ke we chene gakpan. But little did you know you dividing the community. And we back on divide ke back on dark is one of the methods Mr. Gwantara a long time ago. Ka idea ma joge joka nga joge joka lingali. Ko lingali la ja chole divided and conquer. You divide the people, maguro be not destroy, and then be conquer ko chika divide. But common purpose de kon mada wone. Me chi jinathar jek pan cha warai loko. Now cha lo ban pen cha ko pan gak. Today chi jien ko pan gak cha wo ko bente. Kala dor ba pel mi cha bishop. So there you ngaje the reality speak for itself. Chiamaroko. Reality to walk to re de raja korowade. Tell ramadela la reji jigola. Baranu we dun. De yilim ko nog land Nuer ko nog shon mi shwale Nuer. Please. De ji jaka jadi ego do de swallow. Did let kel yen da mor mi chen chia gak pan. Kala di no bia weji bia no mal. Kabiyen gwantaran chuwe dun da bia joira. De yen let kel. Chela de la gwanda no kona la de yen tera kun lo jog run. Because you proud adong loy do ran Nuer ko ti kamun. But right now, you need to take a leadership. You know, Mundu is about to be gone. Keramake ego, the Karada, Karamakan, the Jacalajan. But at the end of the day, why have a benefit? You became a Yana, moon. Rana Jiran go away, doon. Langana Lenating one, you don't have to like me, as Nyanthor. I don't have to like you or whoever you are. And I can care less. But women balat kel koneji, me badoran keep, a badoran would chunka. That's all I care about. Kashian care about ke letter and runiki idea mobi care ke wo misikon agree come and way nang niam. We work toward it, ko way down bagwa. Can we learn yen gadi tinchia marna gadi nuera maguare? Can you learn to please balance your egos? China linka ngengwane. It's not possible. China linka bomwich. It's a matter of brand bomwich the be balance. Brand ngengwane the be balance. Because we all have too much, it will destroy you more than it help you. Can we deal with Nira Didi Chiban Kamdana? Can we deal with it? Ko bana doran protect. Can we put that aside for right now? The mission dan ki a common purpose dan dara wo dora dakaje. Cha desire about 40% of our population. So let's work together ko na much will happen. Can we do that, God? Because mabu we lo agwar jogo runche we lo agur people. Mabu section you can't jogo runche section law ko people. Wala section bunti wala section panga che people. Ngay mitel brain mi chugwanda share tala lot. Deji poro ramadwal ma pel. So you are learning did core ni amaken ngay use your brain. Because sometimes ana we jigen ngay you did mo you ke ego tap amane. So we can lead today because you don't more lead because idea the fit. Idea the banana niam. Can you let him lead and support him? Run bugwari leben will lead. The same thing. For any. Can we learn to work together to save Nuer? To save land Nuer, please. Because na ideal ni United States tana right now. Chika rodian nok. Pramichi chiangare we balaya ngi ne chicken rodian nok tel nok mu ku unite je ku rodian unite ke common purpose. Ko wo ken ba ko win more right bitten ne niam tel ramadong bitte ba first. So therefore ching team to look and rodian whether a jin independent, a jin Republican, a jin southerner, a jin northern, a jin eastern, a jin western, like gonna come together. When it come to Wadian. A genukula take a read like an read wo, shoot the men but we do not let kaje. Take no way to come in the let kaja. Can God no adapt the same philosophy, please, like Buddha or no kundit. A watching to make a turk on a gadnaka say, Chagadamar, Nakpan, Kajagada Nakpan, Muwo, Benuyo, Chador, a mark, Beneo Korke. Can we do that? Mission to lose today to my brother as a win. It is because I did a fit for what is needed at that moment. Chalo no ote melenye. Run me to Guadalajara bila win. Can we give tomorrow a chance? Or what you lose today, chalo no what you lose forever. Te win moon meladora honuka kelka be a paltal guapar bar day with a take. Did do on today they appeal but tomorrow miss your own in your day lad. It's a matter of persistence. Come here, link today, chalo no day, link tomorrow, nyok. For the love of our land as Nathan Earth, can we please put aside our egos, our personal case, our differences, and just fight so that we can have our land and live freely as always? Can we do that? Is that too hard to ask for? And while I'm here, let me add it. Changa jinda mara, jin gad guara, jin gorm deed. Kukwiji how to lead. Can we tell them to back off and pick somebody that can lead us somewhere? Can we do that? Kawobana survive as Nas, Kiabanatik. And we be jago ko wa ilia karo adunganga. Chaman ko kon ka liakan west kon ko jijang ka tuk right now chika teran. Ko tele ko tiken ko unite under one common purpose. All they care about is bang liak e nga ka ngeng. Ngay nika make sure tika brain, tika logic. Be an educator or be the most educated man, but make sure tika intelligence. Because education, mental intelligence is useless. Because intelligent people always know. They always see the benefit far away. Okay, intelligent people that ego in. Because they always look for what is beneficial. Jang manakan kon right now, chicken kon nakan no karokondia. But no matter what happened, come nikian, like an apple cook and a guantaran anywhere. You are being destroyed with the same idea. But yet you don't seem to see that it would really apply to save yourself. My last point, Jenna, I just advise for manager thing. Ta chenne na kai yen Nuer la rara na look. Be a look man idea jal kaja. Kadong da je wate grun. Ka be a cut off for good la we see a good team di ngai ka yaram mo ki team di gor kaja. A why is almost impossible to beat an enemy mukwije. True story. Because mukwije ga kanyen kon. You're not going to know my weaknesses and my strength. So continuality be aka long learn under humility. More you do not humble a little bit. Because for all the reason ko buganta to be a learn lero do lara melmel. Even pretend to be their friend. Because you need to know them. Ko be weakness ni ken kulangach. Today man talk kon Nueri. Dwai ko kon ke game la gwanda no kon play. E jeni che enemy je wo pick up. That's what you call learn your enemy and beat them at their game. This is what is being done to us. Tigajani je decide will be a study. They came to live among us. Chigakuma Sudan ben Goreidan, so they learn everything they can learn about us, our weaknesses and our strength. Today we're getting our ass kicked. Period. Chicken and the greatest weakness go wouldn't worry egos. Chang up Rajangak, Chirangak Deling, who is he? Now they're utilizing that to the best of their ability. Be a kirne gama. Be a kirne. Be in kirne. Take a tana the Lara and a Wajibrara to a Kirga social media and act tell a millennia. Who does she think she is? It's not a matter of that. It's a matter of what Dorandakaja. Te Malanya Juala tell Malanya, I don't care. What can we do? Medekon Doran safe Kaja is my question. Do you have an idea, Mede will look? Because I'll support you, Chung Logunyanku. Because at the end of the day, much your Michelle and Nuer Madakon. Chawa Barbe Apalaco. But I let's learn and we'll ban ego down banage balance. Banangain dan banage utilize was logic. Personal case no conchana ka put aside ko ban community dan safe. Because at the end of the day, we all matter ko ta kon giching nyur content. Mo kon tel ching cha kon bangaje win mon. Cha kon bangaje win mon. So please learn to balance your egos. Can learn Yanuari. Lloyd the Camille at Gwanda no Kuna because it was working then and it will work now. Because they're gonna use enemy can destroy Kaja. Unite under common purpose and a goal. You don't have to unite under love, but you can unite under common purpose and a goal. Nago wi lo agwar, nago wi lo agur. Nago a land of your ancestor Bunyurtin. The same thing for me. So let's fight together for that purpose. Nago freedom ko Nuer. Nago freedom ko Nuer. Let that unite us. Let that unite us, please. Jalato de lim ye. Chaloida ted yen ideology ben. Akwara ko dio ya ban ne ko de alata yente. Ene jan chaloida ted. Bye.